Do you want to know how you can fix the deposit limit on UniBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the deposit limit on UniBet. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to UniBet and log into your account. The next step is to click on your profile, which is over here, and click on account. After you click on account, you can see on the left hand side there is something called Safer Gambling. Click on Safer Gambling and you can see the deposit limit option over here. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to a separate page where you can fill in your deposit limit. Some of the options are daily, weekly and monthly, so you can go ahead and set the daily limit by clicking on Set a Daily Limit. Go ahead and enter an amount over here and then click Add a Daily Limit. You can see that your daily limit has been activated and it is done to the number which you have chosen. So you can also choose the weekly and monthly limit and set it. So guys, this is how you set a deposit limit on UniBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.